Hello Adobe Express users, want to add a signature to your project? I have got you covered. Let's add a personal touch in just few steps. First, open Adobe Express and start a new project or open an existing one. On the toolbar, click on the text option and choose Add Text. Type out your signature. It could be your name or a custom message using the keyboard. Once added, you can resize and position the text exactly where you want it. For a more authentic look, you can upload an image of your handwritten signature. Click on Upload and select your scanned or photographed signature from the device. If you want to make the signature stand out, try adding a shadow effect or changing the font to something cursive-like. If the signature image is not clear, try enhancing the contrast or brightness before uploading it. What's your favorite way to personalize projects? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.